12 cranial nerve. First, olfactory. Second, optic. Third, oculomotor. Fourth, trochlear. Fifth, trigeminal. 6, abducens. 7, facial. 8, vestibulocochlear. 9, glossopharyngeal. 10, vagus. 11, accessory. 12, hypoglossal. Nerve function: olfactory, smell; optic, vision; oculomotor, eye movement; trochlear, eye movement; trigeminal, face sensation and chewing; abducens, eye movement; facial, face movement; vestibulocochlear, hearing and balance; glossopharyngeal, throat sensation, taste; vagus, digestion, breathing, etc. Accessory, neck movement; hypoglossal, tongue muscle control, taste, swallowing, etc.